you shut me down? Please just love me with your steel heart. I'd reboot you if you'd look at me with those cold eyes one more time. I remember our software was compatible. I think I felt my circuit board ignite. You held my hand in your metallic grip. We may be machines, but I'm in love tonight.
Baby, there's something I have to say. I think it's time for my upgrade. I would look so good in version 2, but I promise it's me, not you.
Don't unplug me, or just shut me down.